Graco's Aire4 Platinum stroller and travel system can be used as a full-featured stroller or convert into a lightweight infant car seat carrier. It features Graco's signature fast-action 1-second, one-hand fold, the ultimate convenience for parents on the go. The auto storage latch keeps the stroller folded for easy portability, and the leather handle adjusts to different heights for more comfort and versatility. The never-flat, all-terrain tires help provide a smooth ride for baby on all surfaces. And the lockable front swivel wheels with suspension provide stability and easy maneuverability. The expandable UV-50 canopy will shield baby from the sun's rays. Adjust the multi-position reclining seat to find a comfortable position for your child. The reclining seat converts to a cozy infant bassinet for on-the-go comfort for baby. And the adjustable calf support lets your growing child ride comfortably. There's even a parent's tray with 2 deep cup holders and zipper storage to keep essentials nearby, and a large storage basket. The stroller holds a child up to 50 pounds for years of comfortable strolling. And the convertible 3- or 5-point harness helps provide security as your child grows. Plus, the Aire4 Platinum is compatible with all Graco Click Connect infant car seats using a secure one-step attachment. The travel system includes Graco's SnugRide SnugLock 35LX Click Connect infant car seat and base, rear-facing from 4 to 35 pounds, which attaches directly to the stroller seat or stroller frame. The in-right latch system on the car seat base provides a 1-second latch attachment. Graco's Aire4 Platinum stroller and travel system, a fully featured stroller that can be used as a traditional or frame stroller for years of comfortable strolling.